What's going on, you guys? Raymond with Touchstone Mobile Pressure Washing Detail out of Nashville, Georgia. Also DIY Raymond, and today we got a good little video for y'all. So we got this was a pressure washer hose reel, as you can see. It's the Giraffe Tools 65-foot pressure washer hose. Giraffe Tools right there. Anyways, my hose started going out over time, so I took it out. And it's hard for any kind of other hoses to fit this particular hose reel because this one here is not really universal with the way they got some of the stuff set up, and then the angles for everything is kind of, and then the angles to get stuff going is kind of hard to do. A lot of manipulating in parts. So anyways, long story short, I'm not going to use this for a pressure washer hose. It's going to be an electrical reel, and it's retractable. This right here is a 10 gauge 3 socket plug. It's 50 foot. I took the ball off of that pressure washer hose, which fits on here pretty good. With it being 10 gauge, I can easily do 15 amps, no problem. But I will have this plugged into a 240 volt socket, so therefore I'll be able to get roughly 30 amps off of it and right around 6,000 watts. So that's more than enough electrical or electricity for me to go off of here. But anyways, one of the things to make this work, you have to have this adapter piece here, and I will post a link in the description below. This cord here can also do 30 amps, and as you can see, I did get the plug to go sideways like that right there. But anyways, with it being it is on a swivel, so I'll show you. Oops, let me set the phone down. So this is what it does right here. It swivels around. So this right here will be spinning, going around and around. This right here will be plugged into the other socket I'm gonna have for it. And see, I'm spinning this around. The yellow cord ain't moving, everything is staying still. And that's how it's gonna be able to be retracting. So this is how I got it. This cap right here is a 4-inch cap, and it goes inside of that right there. And then what I did, I took my angle grinder, which is right there, and I grinded off that side half right there, half of the circle, grinded it off, so that way it could fit onto here how I need it to. So that right there is how that's going to fit. As you can see, it's all inside of there. Now you may be asking, how am I going to get it to stick? Well, I'm going to use JB Weld, and I'm going to let it dry on there, and hopefully that holds, and we'll see how it does. See y'all in a little while. Alright, so it's trying to rain, so I'm trying to finish up. So I ended up not being able to, the JB Weld didn't hold like I was hoping it was. So what I did right there, you can see these 2 screws. I ended up doing a little pilot hole, and I screwed them into there. And that's down. Can't see them from right here, but anyways, there they go right there. Turn the light on. Oh, there we go. No, still can't really see them. But anyways, they're in there. Now we're gonna put it inside of here. That's my air hose reel, and eventually I'm gonna do another reel for my pressure washer. But anyways, y'all have a good one. See you in a little bit. This is one of the reasons why it's nice to be able to do your own setup. This was a pressure washer reel for the Giraffe Tools. It ended up breaking. Not the reel itself, but the hose. It didn't lasted over a year, so that's always good. But I put a 10 gauge 50-foot extension cord on there, put it in with the swivel right there, had all this attached in, so now I can, and this is also running to a 240 volt outlet, so this cord not only can do 15 amps, which is not good, it's actually going to do more than that, but it can actually do up to 30 amps, but also you can handle up to 6,000 watts, which is perfect. So vacuum, steamer, whatever I want to plug into this, it'll power it no problem. I still have my other extension cords I want to plug in, but there's that socket there. I got 3 more outlets available, and I got that right there, the big 30 amp plug. But this is how it looks. There you go. And I will be posting a video to my YouTube channel, so go and check it out. DIY Raymond. Be blessed.